And we're back to learn Gimp in year day 4. Let me show you how you can activate the dark mode or the light mode, whatever you like more. Just go to Edit Preferences, open a drop down for Interface, and there you will find the theme option. And under Color Scheme, you can pick 4 presets. I'm gonna go with dark colors, which is the dark mode. For tutorials, I think that's easiest on the eye. Check the box for override icon sizes because they are somewhat linked to the theme. I want to make mine a little bit bigger, so I'm going to go with large. Once again, that's just a preference for the tutorials that I make, so people can see these icons a little bit better. You may want to keep it to medium. Then you can adjust the font size right here. At some point it's going to get too big, so it's going to resize your menus. Maybe you don't want to have that. Once again, for the tutorial, I think I should go a little bit higher than 100%. Let me go back to 100 and see. Yeah, I think I go to around 120, 125, something like that. Don't forget to confirm we're okay, and then these changes will be active. And this is how you can activate the dark and light mode in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.